LineDock 3D Icon Pack is an Android application designed to enhance the visual aesthetics of devices by offering a collection of uniquely crafted 3D icons. Aimed at users who want to personalize their home screens, this app provides a stylish and cohesive look through its distinctive icon designs. Key features of LineDock 3D Icon Pack typically include a vast selection of high-quality, three-dimensional icons that cover a wide range of apps and functionalities. The app is often compatible with various popular launchers, allowing users to easily apply the icons to their devices. Moreover, LineDock may offer dynamic wallpapers and widgets that complement the icon pack, further enriching the user experience. With its sleek and modern design, this icon pack serves as a valuable tool for users looking to refresh their device's appearance and showcase their personal style. Overall, LineDock 3D Icon Pack is perfect for those seeking to elevate their Android device's interface with creative and visually appealing elements.